rare case of the hunter becoming the hunted, a 17-year-old girl in Wajir has had her father, uncle and husband put behind bars for forceful marriage.
Shubo is trying to send signal to hundreds of fathers forcing their daughters into early marriage. Shubo, a 17-year-old girl, has put her father and uncle behind bars for forcing her into an early marriage. Early this month, Mzee Shubo Ali, the father to the girl, and an uncle Abi Olat forcibly married the girl to Adan Bishar. The marks of the rope used to keep her hands bound are visible on her hands. For the 2 days she was locked up by her guardians before she finally escaped to seek refuge with the police. Ubah, the third born in a family of 10 children, was forced out of school at class 3 to look after her younger sisters and brothers, something which is common among pastoralist communities. Police managed to arrest the father and uncle Monday evening. They spent the night in police custody. This young girl stood for her right as both the father, uncle and her husband-to-be all appeared before our Wajir court to answer charges ranging from forcible marriage to defilement. The three pleaded not guilty before Principal Magistrate Enoch Chirono. They were given a cash bond of 100,000 each. The case will be heard on 26th of this month, as all attempts by the family to settle the case out of court have failed. Ubah is the third such case reported by young girls who were forcibly married off since the beginning of the month. Nurjan Almoge, NTV, Wajir County.